Good morning, this is Jack from Charting the Markets Crypto, and this is the pre-market webinar for the morning of Wednesday, the 11th of March. My disclaimer, I do this for educational purposes only. I'm here to share my technical analysis with you. I hope you can take some of what I'm doing, learn from it, transfer it to your own charts, and I'm not here to shoot trading signals. This is a video for paying subscribers at ccmcrypto.substack.com. It's published on YouTube after a delay of 3 days. All right, we've been seeing a bit of a rally this week. I'm not expecting this to last. The overall setup is that we're likely in a bear flag, and that is not changing. It predates the Iran war, and frankly, it may still be the case after the Iran war, but I'm thinking the Iran war, if it continues to not go particularly well, which it's certainly doing at the moment, then this may well give us the low retest that the bear flags are promising. In terms of the daily middle band, Bitcoin is still above it. On the hourly chart, this still looks very much like a bear flag forming, and that's likely because that's exactly what it is. All right, looking at Solana. We're slightly over the daily middle band. They've got that at 84.60, and price is currently at 85.23. Again, this is a likely bear flag, and it's a very nice bear flag. So we've seen a bit of a rally here from the last low at 80, but that was just a 50 back, and I think it might be on the way back down again because the news from Iran is not great. I was talking about this on the bigger picture, but the Iranians are refusing Witkoff's suggestions that they get together and talk about a ceasefire, and they're settling in for a war of attrition. And honestly, I think there's a distinct possibility that the Middle Eastern allies of the US may well make their own pieces with Iran over the next couple of days, and that at that stage, the US won't be able to launch attacks from their territories. Also, Iran is currently mining the Strait of Hormuz, although they did promise their Middle Eastern neighbors that in the event that they stop the US from operating from their borders, then one, they would stop attacking their desalinization plants, which is a potential existential threat, really, as they're very, very dependent on them. And two, they could then use the Strait of Hormuz to ship their products. And, well, we'll see what impact the mining of the strait has on those. But the strait has been closed for almost a couple of weeks now, and it is still currently closed. All right, looking at Ethereum. We've got daily middle band at 1983, still a bit above that, maybe slipping back below that today. On the hourly chart, this still looks very much like a bear flag forming, and we shall see. So really, not much has changed. We've seen the rally on equities. We've seen a bit of a pullback from the highs, and we will see how it develops from here. But I'm thinking we may well see a return to the lows on equities within the next couple of days, and we'll see. All right, great. Looking at the comments, yeah, thanks, mate. It's interesting stuff this week, no question about it. Look out for a post from me later on equities, and hopefully another one on crypto as well. All right, great. Cheers, mate. I'll catch everyone tomorrow. I'll see you then.